Hello children, welcome back to my talks, English, Standard 12th. Okay, so now we are doing flamingo lessons. Let's start with chapter 3, Deep Water. Okay, the author is William Douglas. So let's get started. Introduction first. Okay, let's talk about it. So the Deep Water, it is an autobiography, okay, of the author's childhood. William Douglas, the author, talks about his childhood, his misadventure at the swimming pool. Okay, he's scared of swimming and water. In this chapter, he tells us how when he was a young boy, he was nearly drowned at one particular time in the swimming pool, and thereafter he feared water so much that he avoided it. Okay, whenever he could, but on the other hand, he was also determined, okay, to get out. Like, he was scared, but he wanted to come out of his fear as well. Okay, and slowly and steadily he overcomes his fear of water in the end. Okay, the theme is just that it is an essay written by Douglas. Okay, and he shares about his fear of water and how he overcomes it with courage. Okay, so what is seen? Hard work, determination, willpower, perseverance, and a strong desire to learn swimming. All that we learn about him. Now let's come to main characters. So first of all, William Douglas, and William Douglas is the only one when he's written his autobiography. So he's a positive thinker. He feared water since childhood, and he decides to overcome his fear. Determined man with a very strong willpower. Okay, and it is his determination and willpower that helped him to get rid of his fear. Okay, a strategic thinker, and he was unexpectedly pushed into the water once, and he quickly planned his strategy to save his life. Let's come to the summary of the story. Now this talks about the fear of water, and thereafter how he finally overcomes it. His first such experience was on the sea beach. Okay, he was with his father, and when a powerful wave swept him into the water, it came over him, and though the wave went off, it receded back. Okay, but it left Douglas over there petrified, scared. Okay, so he decided then to learn swimming. For this, he chose a pool, which is the YMCA pool, and because it was safe, not very deep, okay, and it has shallow ends, and that is why that was chosen, just 2 feet, and in the center it was 9 feet deep. So one day a strong man, he comes and he picks Douglas, okay, and tossed him into the deep side of the water, deep side of the pool. Okay, and Douglas sank to the bottom. He jumps and comes up gradually. So fear had already seized him. He was completely drowned. Okay, but his efforts, his willpower, his determination, that saved him. Okay, and he could see that no one came to his rescue. So anyhow, he tried to breathe, excuse me, but he swallowed enough of water. So though death was just at his doorstep, okay, he experienced complete freedom from the fear of death. Okay, now he knew that he was going to die because he was pushed into the water, and he lay in complete peace, and there was no fear of death during that time because he was into death. Okay, but finally someone saved him, and this experience, this horrible experience, okay, this shook him so badly that its memories haunted him every now and then, and he used to get sick when he used to remember this particular experience. Okay, so the sight of water itself made him scared, and he could not even go for fishing or canoeing. So finally he makes up his mind to overcome this fear. He finds an instructor who trains him as a swimmer bit by bit, and he is able to overcome his fear completely and swim for miles. Okay, so the experience of fear and death and its conquest makes him live intensely. Okay, conquering fear made him realize the true value of life, and this helped him enjoy every moment of his living. So he finally learned to live life to the fullest. So quite many lessons we get from this particular chapter, children. Determination, willpower. If you want to do something and if you are determined, we'll be able to do. And we should live the life to the fullest. And sometimes it happens that once when we experience death, when we reach up to the doorstep of death and we become alive, we understand life better. But anyhow, this is the story. I know you must have understood completely. Okay, so wish you good luck. Keep watching. Okay, and put a thumbs up, write comment down in the chat. Thank you.